Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I signed out at 2:34. I had a good night sleep yesterday. Yeah, maybe around 9 o'clock when I sleep. And then I wake up to pee. I don't know what time is that. And then this morning I wake up to the call of chef. Yeah, I'm late. Yeah, I forgot to set my alarm. So I wake up in the call of my chef. They are setting up their kite glider, kite surfing. I don't know. So I was sleeping and then my phone rings and I saw it's my our kitchen, and it was 6:02. Yeah, so I immediately get up and brush my teeth and yeah, come to work. And I reached my workplace already 6:18. I am late today. Yeah, when I arrive, Jackson is already doing my things. Yeah, I forgot to set my alarm last night. I don't know why I forgot. Feeling late, not good. It's not good when you are late, but I recovered somehow. I mean, there was no any pending to do and everything was good. It is very windy at the moment, but for sure it is clear. I mean, there's no wind noise because I have I have a dead cut on my phone, on my camera. Oh, and then when I get to the workplace, I said to chef, thank you chef. Yeah, sorry and thank you. Sorry because of course it becomes a little inconvenient for them that I am late, and thank you because yeah, they called me. If they don't call me, it means that I'll be very late, and very late is not good. When you are very late, it's not good for you and for everyone, for all. I don't have the music with me. I can hear everything at the moment. Yeah, the wind, the sound of the birds. Yeah, nice. Yeah, because I was in a hurry, I was rushing, and yeah, I didn't able to pick up my earphone. That is why we don't have music today. But still, like, I am singing. Life has new meaning to me. That's beauty up above. And na na na. Wake up and suddenly you're in love. Each day I pray to love this lasts forever. Suddenly. Or if you notice this, all these trees, they are now fully I mean, there are many leaves, all of them, yeah, green. Remember last winter, all of them looks like dead already, no leaves. Now it's very good looking. I realized that I don't have my bike lock, so I just leave my bike in there. I hope no one is going to take that, but yeah, I'm just going to take a laundry soap and then yeah, that's it. I don't want to stay longer, so to be sure that I have my bike safe. Which one I'm going to take? Oh no, the 8 liters. Take this one. This is 2 liters. 8. So yeah, I actually leave the bike here inside the inside the Walmart. I usually see some people, they are leaving their bike inside there. And actually sometimes I see people, they are bringing their bike while they are inside roaming inside the grocery. Yo, good afternoon guys. It's another windy day. Yeah, super windy today, but I believe you can hear my sound clearly. I mean my voice clearly. because I have my dead cat attached to my GoPro Hero 9. Yeah, so there's no wind noise. And today I finished at 2 o'clock. Yeah, and my day off is cancelled. I mean, my day off, I am supposed to be day off tomorrow, but it's now cancelled. Afternoon. Yeah, because Jackson is not feeling real good today, so he's going to have a rest tomorrow. In case you don't know, in here in this area, there is one bird that is regularly attacking me. Maybe 3 weeks ago already. Sorry. Yeah, that bird is not attacking me anymore. Telling me it might be you. God is telling me it must be you. All of my life. Because I don't have bike lock, we are going to the Asian store instead of Woolworth. Oh, looks like they are closed. Now open. Oh, my wallet. My wallet, my money is my phone. Yeah, this is what I bought. Okay, I'm now preparing my meal. Yeah, this is what I'm going to eat this time. Ansong tangmyeon. Yeah, instant noodles, spicy. And these are the other things that I bought from that Asian store. This is bitter gourd. I also bought this coconut cream powder. And this. I'll just wait for that to boil and then put the things in there. I will be editing video. It is now 3:05. I just put my laundry. Oh, yeah, I just put my laundry. It is now in there. Yeah, I already put the noodles. And now I'm going to put these. And of course, I'm going to eat it with rice. I still have some left over here. Oh, we cannot make arroz caldo with this much anymore. This is too less. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I just finished my duty. Already 2:26 when I sign out. Very busy. Yeah, because you know it's rainy day today. Actually, it's a little bit raining at the moment, but during the breakfast time, yeah, most of the guests they stay in the house, and then later on at around 10 o'clock they all come together in the restaurant to have their breakfast. And because of that, we get really busy. And then yeah, during the lunch service also busy, so that's why we are running. Yeah, and that's why also I finished at around already 1:26 when I sign out. Okay, we go.
Can you help me, Sabi? Can you come here and take out the coffee?
Yo. Yeah, I'm actually cooking this one. I didn't able to show you because I was in a hurry. This is beans with some pork crackling, onion. Yeah, that's it. But I forgot to press this. That's why it's still cooking until now. And outside there's still a little rain. All those birds are noisy. And I'm watching Alex Gonzaga. Yeah, she got a COVID but fully recovered now.
Dahil nga medyo ano ko na lang ngayon is mabilis ako mapasok.
Yo, good morning guys. It is already 9. Yeah, 9. Oh, what is that? 9:02. And yeah, I wake up this morning at around 5 o'clock and I started to edit my video. And it's going to be uploaded in before 10 o'clock. Yeah. And at the moment I am having this. This is boy bawang. Basically it's a corn crackers. Yeah. It's very crispy and salty. This is coming from Mr. Wally, the family that visited me maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it is now 3:05. I am now hungry. I'm going to cook something sweet. So I just put some water here, and I still have this mung beans. I'm just going to put it here, and I'm also going to put some of this oats. I'll also put some sugar. I'm not sure about this milk. Still smells alright. So it is now starting to expand, and yeah, it's absorbing already the water and the milk. Oh, I actually have here some of this coconut cream powder. Yeah, that I bought from the Asian store. And it is a product of Indonesia. Oh, this one is nice. Yeah, compared to the one that I cooked last time, that one doesn't have any coconut milk.